Are you looking for a good quality LMS plugin for your WordPress site? LMS stands for Learning Management System. In other words, the website that created and sold the course can be called LMS site. With the help of LMS plugin for creating such sites, it is very easy to create course selling sites like Udemy, Coursera, Udacity, Skillshare with WordPress CMS. A perfect WordPress LMS plugin has a variety of features, such as course content, quiz, subscription, enrollment, certificates, grade system, pre-requirements, dashboard system, affiliate, payment method, and many more features. There are many types of LMS plugins, some of which are free, some of which are premium, but most of which are free. While premium is a basic feature free, advanced and extra attractive features are included in their premium plan. Some of the popular LMS plugins are Tutor LMS, LearnDash, LearnPress, MemberPress Courses, Lifter LMS, Teachable, WP Courseware, Sensei. Creating an LMS site in WordPress requires a domain, hosting, and theme. The theme can be free, and you can use LMS theme if you want extra. Ready-made feature. Domain is basically the name of the website with which if you search, you will find yourself in a unique role in this huge world of internet. And all the files on your site will be hosted where the hosting is required. LearnDash. It is a very popular and easy-level WordPress LMS plugin, but it looks easy, but it has many powerful features. With the help of drag-and-drop course builder, you can easily create multi-layer courses, and they have many more features including course curriculum, lessons, topics, quizzes, categories. This allows you to take assignments from users who have enrolled in your course, and the instructors will be able to approve them and give suggestions. Also, several more features including quiz and MCQ for taking the test. You can also add prerequisites for students. Monetization has interesting features like subscription, one-time purchase system, membership system. There are also PayPal, Stripe, and 2 checkout systems as payment gateways. WordPress Payment Gateway can also be added as an add-on. It is also possible to get feedback system from users through the form. And it is a premium-level paid plugin, because there is no free version. Moreover, all its functional add-ons are connected to the paid version. But the add-ons in the WordPress repository are not having much of an impact. Tutor LMS. This is a WordPress LMS plugin that can be easily used in e-learning projects. It also has a monetization system with certificate features at the end of the course as well as various quizzes starting from the course preparation. Using it, courses, lessons, different types of quizzes, true/false plus single choice plus multiple choice plus about 10 types of quizzes with empty cells, question bank, report, analysis, dashboard, course builder system can be found. The plugin also has advanced features including commission system, affiliate type, gradebook, assignment submission, course review and rating, certificate, monetization, content security per sale. It is also a freemium plugin with a free version in the WordPress repository as well as a Tutor Pro system as a paid package. It has 1 year as well as lifetime license plan. There is even an unlimited site license starting from 1 site in a plugin called Tutor LMS. LearnPress. This is WordPress's free LMS plugin. It has many powerful features. Like other LMS plugins, it allows you to create course curricula effortlessly. You can easily add lessons, quizzes, and questions. You can also easily export the content you have through several add-ons of this plugin. This plugin has a number of free add-ons as well as paid add-ons. These include content drip, quiz, assignment, grading, and many more features. In addition to these, it supports bbPress, WooCommerce, and WordPress membership plugins. This plugin will work with any WordPress theme. But if you want, you can also use it in LMS WordPress theme. Moreover, most of its features can be found in its basic plan, which is in the repository of WordPress and can be used for free. But if you want additional advanced features, it has several paid add-ons with which it is possible to create a user-friendly system. There are many other payment gateways including PayPal which are available as paid add-ons. MemberPress Courses. Membership is one of the most powerful WordPress membership plugins in WordPress, making it easy to manage, and even sell courses. It has a special classroom mode, which makes it easy to set up an online classroom system. With Drag and Drop Builder, one can easily add lessons, topics, categories, and pictures. It is even possible to embed links to videos allocated for the course. And no additional course builder is required for the course. Curriculum page. Beginners with WordPress block editor will be able to do it very easily if they want. Site admins and instructors will be able to see how much progress they have made by enrolling in the course of their website, how much they have been able to complete. With this you can create free courses as well as paid courses if you want. If they want, they will also get many features in the dashboard. In addition, anyone can take access to the membership package for a certain period of time. PayPal, Stripe, Authorize.net, and several other payment systems as payment gateways. Prices start at $149 per site with 1 year of license support. WP Courseware. This is another popular WordPress LMS plugin that makes it easy for a user to create courses using the drag and drop course builder. It is very easy to start a small online course from small to large. Each course includes multiple modules, units, and quizzes. It also makes it possible to create various user-friendly systems including instructor profiles, student gradebooks, as well as custom emails. Moreover, monetization system can be added by selling online classes. These include PayPal and Stripe payment gateways. The MemberPress plugin seems to be the best of the LMS plugins. It is quite beginner-friendly, and with its help it is possible to create beautiful designs very easily without any knowledge of coding. But if you want to know about its alternatives, LearnDash is one of the best for you. Lifter LMS. Lifter LMS is another powerful WordPress LMS plugin with a lot of neat features. It allows you to create engaging online courses and offer wonderful learning experiences to your students. It is easy to set up, even on existing WordPress sites. Lifter LMS supports multi-tier courses with training modules, lessons, categories, and more. It gives you the flexibility to create smaller courses or full-fledged degree programs. You can add multimedia lessons including video, audio, text, images, and more to make your courses more appealing. It has content dripping, course prerequisites, and group memberships to offer even greater control over how your courses work. To boost user engagement, it comes with powerful features like automated emails, gamification with badges, and even certificates upon completion of a course. It has built-in content restriction allowing you to restrict any WordPress page on your site to members only. Lifter LMS has a useful collection of add-ons, which you can use to manage affiliates, integrate with e-commerce plugins, connect to your email marketing service, etc. There are multiple options to accept credit card payments, one-time or recurring payments, sell course bundles, offer coupons, etc. Among payment options, you can integrate it with PayPal, Stripe, or receive payments manually via check. Sensei. Sensei is a powerful WordPress LMS plugin created by the folks behind WooCommerce. It is flexible and easy to use and follows the same best practices as WordPress and WooCommerce. Course creation with Sensei is easy, but not as powerful as with other solutions on this list. You can run quizzes, assignments, grade them automatically or manually, and even offer badges and certificates to students. To sell your courses and accept payments, you will need to use WooCommerce. For each course you want to sell, you will have to create a product and then link it to your course. There are not many third-party integrations available. You can integrate Sensei with a membership plugin, but there is no add-on for that. We believe that MemberPress is the best WordPress LMS plugin. It's very beginner-friendly and lets you create online courses with beautiful designs, no code needed. Their powerful membership rules make it easy to configure access control, sell course subscription packages, and more. You also get other useful features like content dripping, group memberships, protected file management, reminder emails, and more. It integrates seamlessly with all major payment providers and over 1,000 different email marketing automation services. If you're looking for a MemberPress alternative, then you can look at LearnDash. It also comes with great features and lots of useful integrations.